Hello, I'm Leah, Business Partnership Specialist at Portland Rescue Mission, where we serve over 900 hot, healthy meals every day to men, women, and children struggling with hunger and homelessness. Today, I'd like to recognize our friends at Rick's Custom Fencing and Decking for providing all the meals for the entire day and the cost of shelter for a night. In addition, members of their team donated time to build care packages for our guests during the holiday season. Every meal we serve, every need we meet is a chance for us to get to know someone better, to learn their name, hear their story, and invite them into our community where they can get the resources they need to transition out of homelessness and into stability. So thank you to our friends at Rick's Custom Fencing and Decking for making that possible. Thank you for owning the day. You are appreciated.